For the past little bit, quite a few of you have been asking for an updated skincare routine video. If you haven't seen my FabFitFun video, I showed you some of the products that I've been keeping like in these two buckets. I've really been trying to use up products that I already own. I don't want to go out all the time and buy new products because I want to work through what I have. So I'm going to show you what I'm currently using, and I'm going to kind of give you a review on the products that I'm using and what I think about them. The very first thing I want to mention is when it comes to skincare, I have to use like a little microfiber towel on my face. If I use a regular face cloth, I break out, and I just feel like using a microfiber little cloth or a magic eraser so much better, just soft on your face. It just works so much better. So if you're having a hard time with acne, dry skin, definitely pick them up. You can get them on Amazon. I will link some in the description down below, and I'll link the ones that I personally purchased in the description down below because I do recommend them. I've had them for 2 years. I do want to order some more, but I just want to let you know that nothing is going to clean your skin as good as a spin brush. This one here is from Mary Kay. I've been using this now for a long time. In the past, I used one from Duval. This one's the current one that I'm using. You don't have to use this specific one, but I do recommend picking up a spin brush. Pick one up that's comfortable for your skin. I would like it if this head was just a little smaller because my face is pretty small, but I would recommend a spin brush. It's honestly going to take everything off your skin. It's going to give it a nice exfoliation and clean it so well. Honestly, sometimes I'm shocked. I will do makeup remover and a face cleanser, and then I'll think, I want to see what's left over. I use this and it's like just, there's so much stuff that comes off with it. So I'd highly recommend one of these for sure. Moving into the products that I'm using currently. So the first step if I'm wearing makeup is I will go in with my Body Shop cleansing butter. I have been using this and the liquid formula for over a year because of how much I like it. I find it removes my makeup nicely, it's good on dry skin, it's good on sensitive skin, and I really love it. Sometimes if I'm really lazy, even if I have no makeup, I put this on my face. I just let it sit on there because it's so moisturizing and hydrating, and it just gives your skin that extra boost, I find. So if you're looking for a good makeup remover that is good for your face and your eyes, highly recommend checking them out from the Body Shop. I think I started to use this in June, so I'd highly recommend it. They're pretty affordable also. The other thing is the Body Shop does do like a recycle program, which I'm currently saving up like the majority of my empties. I think if you bring 5 in, you get a $10 coupon. I believe that's how it works. I'm going to take you through a video one day and do it, but yeah. So very excited about that. I'm running pretty low, but I do have a backup, but just letting you know, this is what I use to remove my makeup. Or on super lazy days, just clean and moisturize my face because some days we have that. So for a cleanser, I purchased this one because I ran out of cleansers and I was at my spa and I said, I want a new cleanser. I need a new cleanser, so I'm gonna purchase one. This is the Eminence Mangosteen Daily Resurfacing Cleanser. I asked my esthetician what would be the best for my skin, and she recommended this one. I purchased it. This just moisturizes my face. It makes my face so normal. I haven't had dry patches, which is great. I don't have oily skin. I don't have my skin looking shiny. I love how I can use this all the time. I don't even have breakouts from it. It smells so good. It's a very liquid formula. A little goes a long way. I can use this with my fingertips. I can use this with a spin brush. I love it. It's easy to come off. It doesn't stay on your face. There's no residue that stays on there. There's no parabens in here. It's not tested on animals. It's cruelty free. It's organic. It's natural. That's what I love. It seems like every single product that I've gotten from Eminence, I have loved. So if you're looking for a good cleanser and you're struggling with your skincare routine, I purchased this. I've had this for a month and this is how much that I've used up since. You don't use a lot. How I kind of justify a product is, okay, if I paid $50 for this, I'd like this to last for about 2 to 3 months for me to get my real money's worth. So I'm happy so far. I'm loving it. Using it morning, night, it's working good. One cleanser, and that's all you need. And if you get this, make sure to store it up. If you store it down, it'll leak. Just to let you know. Moving into a toner, basically I found this and I just didn't want it to go to waste, so I have been using it. It's the Mary Kay Botanical Effects Refreshing Toner. I do enjoy this. I think I really enjoy it because of the scent, because the cleansing butter just kind of smells really, really light, and then the mango cleanser smells like fruity. This does smell really, really nice, so I do like to add it into my skincare routine. Is this something I absolutely need? No, but it's something that I have and something that I do enjoy to use, and I know there are benefits to toners, so I have been using this one. This one is oil and fragrance free. It is good for sensitive skin. It's a good toner. If you purchase from Mary Kay, definitely look into it because I really do enjoy it. I have been using the Body Shop Vitamin C Glow Boosting Moisturizer. This is for adult, tired, and grumpy skin. Here's the thing. Some days my skin loves this, it absorbs it, it looks amazing, it needs it. Other days my skin honestly doesn't like it. It's going to be in an empties video, but I used an Eminence moisturizer my skin loved, and I'm going to purchase another one. This for me, like I said, some days it works, some days my skin doesn't like it. And every single time I use it, my boyfriend will always say, "Why is your face so shiny?" And it's because of this. And it's not like a nice shiny, it's like shine, like just pure shine. And I would not be able to go out and about using this. So some days if I'm not wearing makeup in the morning, I don't put this on because of how it's going to make my face look. If you're lacking vitamin C and you want to try it, or it's on sale and you want to try it, that's great. Maybe if your skin is really dry, you may like it. One thing I did here is if you have vitamin C like in a form of a cream, it's not going to be as effective as if you had like the actual vitamin C like powder or bits. So I'm not sure. It smells really good. It's orange. It's lasted me a long time. I do enjoy it, but some days my skin just doesn't like it. Sometimes it just creates these little bumps and it just gets very, very shiny. I'm trying to use this up because, like I said, I'm trying to use up what I have, but if it continues to make my skin feel like not the greatest, I'll probably discontinue it. Let's talk about eye cream. This here is the Nivea Q10 Power Anti-Wrinkle Eye Cream. I have purchased probably 5+ of these since 14 years old. These last forever. I pick them up on sale for $15 and they last forever. I use this day and night. It works very well. I really do like to use it in the day because my makeup sets really nice on top of it. It really helps with my under eyes to make them not so dry. I do want to get something that's a little bit more nourishing and maybe thicker for the nighttime, but if you're looking just to get into eye cream, maybe if you have like a daughter or a sister, or if you're younger and you want to start treating your under eyes, I'd highly recommend getting this. I know it's not like the best ingredients, but I've had no issues with it and I've had good experiences with it, and it's good to at least just start with something to see what you like, what you don't like. And for $15, I think it's $15 on sale and $22 regular price, it lasts forever and you can take it with you and travel and you're good to go. So this is what I do use for my under eyes. So the next thing that I use on days where I'm not using like foundation, like concealer, bronzer, anything like that, I use the Time Wise Pore Minimizer. This makes my face look so, so nice, and it'll really just balance everything out. It's a really nice cream that makes your pores look smaller. It makes your face look really nice and hydrated. The only thing is this does smell pretty strong. Like the scent will go away after some time. I do really, really like it, especially like some mornings my skin is just not awake. Put this on, my skin's awake. So I've been really enjoying that. I have two other things that I want to talk about. The first one's going to be a silicone mask applicator. I'd recommend getting one of these because when you use a face mask, I find it's easier to spread the product around with a silicone end, and it's a lot more hygienic than a brush because you can run it under water, you can wipe it off, you're good to go. The other thing is when you're actually using a face mask and you're using your fingers or a brush and it's not clean, that bacteria can go in it. So a skincare tip to keep in mind is get yourself a silicone applicator meant for your face mask. The last tool for skincare for me is going to be the these facial brushes. I used to go get the sides of my face threaded because of how much peach fuzz I was having. I do continue to go and get it, but sometimes I do need to maintenance my face. So these here are really good, especially to exfoliate your face, get the dead skin off, and just really bring your skin back to life. Now, if you're not comfortable with this, I would highly recommend going to get your face threaded. I find the makeup sits a lot better on your face when the peach fuzz is gone. I have not had peach fuzz grow back in dark. Just to let you know, I haven't had that, and I have very dark hair. Like, this is dyed, but this is my natural hair. I haven't had that. So it won't grow in dark. It doesn't grow in faster. I think the reason why we think it grows faster is because it'll be gone, and then after a couple months, it's back. Obviously, it's hair growth. I get mostly the sides of my face done, and then I just kind of maintenance it with one of these, especially because sometimes I don't even notice that my skin is so dry and I need something to help take it off, and these are the best way to do it. So those are kind of the skincare products and kind of skincare tips that I do have. I am not like a skincare expert, but I do know quite a few of you have been asking for what I've been using, and I just wanted to show you the products that I'm currently using. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments down below and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe because I do upload some skincare and beauty product videos every so often on my channel. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite product to use is, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.